In this video, I'll detail how to turn on vibrate mode on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to disable ringer, just to put on vibration so that when you have an incoming call on your iPhone, it's only going to vibrate instead of ringing. Then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable vibration or turn on vibrate mode on your iPhone, first approach is just come to your iPhone side like this. If you're using an iPhone with an action button here, go ahead and disable ringer by turning this down. Then you should see silent mode like this. So this is the ringer mode. Then if you turn it back again, it's going to put your iPhone on silent mode. And on silent mode, invariably, your iPhone is going to vibrate instead of ringing using the default or your predefined ringing tone on your iPhone. And if you don't want to silence your iPhone completely, rather, you want to turn on the vibration mode, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings space, you want to scroll down and click on Sound and Haptics. Now, once you select Sound and Haptics, here you're going to see ringtone and alert. Then here it's going to show the type of ringtone you're using while you have an incoming call on your iPhone. You can see my ringtone is called Reflection. Now here you can just choose None for your ringtone. Then click on the ringtone you are using currently. Then come to Haptics. So choose your vibration mode under Haptics. So that you can also create a custom vibration by here click a vibration. Then you want to create the vibration you want to set as your iPhone vibration when you turn on vibrate mode on your iPhone. Then once you're done, click on the save button. Then give this maybe vibrate mode. Then click on save. Then you're gonna have vibrate mode here. Now once you've chosen the vibrate mode here, just go back. Then make sure you reduce the ringtone and alert to BRS minimum. Now, when you have an incoming call on your iPhone, you can see I have an incoming call. So my iPhone is only vibrating even when the ringer is not on silent mode. You see this? So this is on ringer, and it's only vibrating. So this is how you can easily turn on vibrate mode on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.